Hey guys, welcome back
to your favorite up-and-coming cooking show that you didn't even know you liked that much. Anything and
everything.
Welcome back, guys.
We wanted to explain in this intro on why we want to start this YouTube channel.
The hardest thing with making food at home is knowing what to make. And I think that's really kind of a lot of people can relate to that, or there's a lot of food at the grocery store, but you don't know what to buy, what to make.
Yeah.
We started a family and we kind of try to eat food at home more often.
For many adults in our busy lives, stressful lives, the last thing we want to do is wonder what we're going to eat that night and how we're going to make it or when we're going to make it. So we want to make these videos kind of make it less complex for you, a little fun, make it with us if you want.
Yeah. Join along. I mean, I'm at work all the time. I work full time and she stays at home with little baby Liam. Future generations are most important. You got to do it right. And involved with doing it right means you got to make them food and not crappy food.
We do think it's very important for Liam to grow up in a healthy family household of cooked meals for him. So it's kind of fun to get other people maybe to do it. Maybe our viewers are making our meals. If so, give us a comment. Let us know what you like about the food if you made it.
And that segues really nice into what we're doing today. And that is
cheddar broccoli burritos.
Oh, yeah. Cringy, thumbs up, let's go.
Let's eat.
Hit him with the finger bangs. And everything we need to make this and put this whole thing together is all right behind us. We just want to show you guys how easy this is to get, how cheap it is. I mean, look at this. Plug.
This one is my favorite. Honestly, that is why I wanted to save this one for a little bit later, but I'm excited to try this recipe.
I mean, I make it easy for her. She cooks everything, I eat everything.
Yep. You see these instructions here? You gotta read them. Kidney beans. You need to rinse these.
So this is final product, actually out of the pan and everything. I mean, look at that. So shocking that this actually comes from the back of a $1 rice packet. And it's right here, the whole recipe, right there. Everything we just got done showing you, right there. That's, look at this quality meal. Just absolute quality.
Took some time, but I hope it was worth it.
Of course, it goes without saying that we're gonna make the great food for you, and then we're also gonna try it out and tell you how it tastes.
All right, let's dig in.
Let's get to it.
All right.
Yeah, just chop that in half. Why don't we just go ahead and just open this up a little bit? And we'll just show the camera real quick. Hey, just peel it up. Just a little skin. Ooh, horrible reference. That's okay. We're here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Dang.
Look.
Just dig into this. Are you?
I'm starving.
Starving. Okay.
Starving.
Cheese over. Oh, you gotta have the cheese.
I'm gonna get some green onion.
Good call. I'm gonna get this nice.
That's how big of a bite you're
tasty
gonna take.
bite. Tasty.
Such a big bite. Okay.
You guys are all. You're just messing up. Look at that. Look at that quality bite right there. Oh.
Cheers. What?
I need to rethink my whole life right now.
Rethink Taco Bell, because you do not need Taco Bell.
We can't even talk. There is
need
no
this.
taco about Taco Bell. Taco about Taco Bell.
Taco
This,
Bell.
wow, I did not expect that out of this at
Oh my
all.
gosh, me either.
Holy crap.
That's really good.
It's just, it's a one thing whenever you make like a cheap, like recipe with like tortilla shells. But this one, I mean, it cuts like butter, and I think it's just putting the salsa on top and bottom of it before you cook it really helps with that.
Made it moist.
Super rice inside of it had the flavoring. It actually has this cheddar broccoli flavoring.
It's like the cheddar, yeah. It's like cheesy tasting.
Right, so you get
It's
that
a
broccoli
cheesy
cheddar
burrito.
taste.
Yeah.
You get that in the burrito. You get with everything mixed into it.
Don't really care for beans, but it calls for kidney beans.
Ones, they're on a diet.
The light kidney beans.
That was 5-second rule.
That really just warms the soul. Honestly, just all that cheese in there. I know I added a little extra cheese than it calls for.
But let's be real. Who doesn't?
Exactly. I would say this would be really good with some sour cream. Maybe some chips on the side. Get a little crunch because it is a lot of moisture, you know? That's a lot of some crunch.
Tortilla strip things over the top of it.
Yeah, we need a little crunch.
That'd be A1 addition.
Right.
For this, a solid 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
I mean, I think try. Just follow along with this video. Cook it up with us. You're gonna love it.
Meat, protein, you know, it's filling. A lot of filling.
Yep. And you have any kids at home, oh my god, they're absolutely gonna love this. Alright, last bite. Just gotta go for one
Digging
more.
in for this bite.
Get that last one in there. Alright, just get the towering pizza of burrito.
Ooh, I got some salsa.
Oh, look at that. Alright.
Oh, that bite's bigger this time.
Cheers. I can definitely see this coming back as a very solid option for dinner in the future. This was awesome, and this turned out great. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I just want to cook to make everyone happy.
I know.
I mean, that,
I'm trying not to
honestly,
say it
that's
in a way of
so
saying-
wholesome.